Hi everyone. Here the proof of NPR is equal n factorial by n minus r factorial. Here the total number of things n, the total number of blanks r. We have to arrange, we have to get the permutations, p permutations, arrangement. We have to arrange n number of things in r number of blanks. So that is a proof of this n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, here how many number of blanks are? I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are. Here n number of things, it is an arrangement. In the arrangement we have to definitely fill up the first place, clear? So after that second place, after that third place, so in this way we can fill up. So it is the arrangement. Okay, here first place, total number of things are n. How many chances to we can fill up in the first blank? N things, n numbers, nothing but n things, n numbers, n number of ways we can fill up in the first blank. N. Okay, so next one is over, one box is over, one number is over. At a time we can fill up only one number out of the n numbers. Out of the n numbers, one number is over. Remaining how many numbers? Remaining n minus 1 numbers. Okay, so second blank has how many chances, how many ways we can fill up second blank? Remaining how many numbers? Remaining how many things? Here out of the n, one number is over. Remaining how many? N minus 1. N minus 1. Okay, so next coming to the third, second also over, two blanks over, two numbers over. Remaining how many numbers? N minus 2 numbers. So third blank has how many chances? N minus 2 chances. Okay, so next fourth blank, so 3 numbers over, 3 blanks over. Remaining how many numbers? N minus 3 numbers. So fourth blank has how many chances of numbers? N minus 3. So what about the r, last and so on r, rth blank, last blank is number r. How can we decide? We have it like this. How many ways we can fill up? How can decide this? Okay, so let me tell you once. Here n minus 1, n is same, n minus 1. So using the blank number we can decide this number. 1, the blank number is 2. 1 we can write 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Yes. Next here. So blank number is 3. How can write 2? N minus 3 minus 1. Blank number minus 1. Here. N minus blank number 4. 4 minus 1. 3 we can write 4 minus 1. 2 we can write 3 minus 1. 1 we can write 2 minus 1. Here 0 we can write blank number 1. 1 minus 1. 0, nothing but 0. We need to write. Okay. So what about this? Blank number minus 1. So we got it now. Blank number minus 1. So we can write this n minus r minus multiply inside minus r minus minus plus 1. So it is the n minus 1 plus, so n minus r plus 1 ways we can fill up the last blank number r. Okay, yes. So but how to get the formula? It's a given short form n factorial by n minus r whole factorial. What is this? Okay, so listen once. Here, so we can write the product n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on, n minus r plus 1. So why should we multiply? So based on the fundamental counting principle, so here 3 number of observations in the product to 3 numbers, 4 number of observations in the product to 4 numbers, 5 number of observations in the product to 5 numbers, r number of observations in the product to r numbers. Okay? Yes. Here, listen once. So it is a one term, own term. In this ways we can arrange the n numbers in r blanks. But to get the formula, how to get the formula? Here, so we know that we wrote here previous numbers. It is a descending order, not an ascending order. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, decreasing one always. So what is the previous number of this? Minus 1. N minus r plus 1 minus 1. That is only previous number, minus 1, decreasing 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, n minus r. N minus r. So and so on, 3 into 2 into 1. I want to multiply this. So the product and so on I am taking 3, 2, 1. So this is the term I want to multiply with this whole term. Okay, all upon n minus r 3 into 2 into 1. So what I am doing now here, I want to multiply and divide with n minus r and so on 3 into 2 into 1. N minus r and so on 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so numerator have this term, denominator have this term. So both sides I want to multiply with this term. So get cancel, these two get cancelled. So remaining term will get as this. So value cannot be changed. Okay, here so we know this from n to, so what is the product? 1. So in the product from 1 to n numbers, the n factorial product of first to n natural numbers is the n factorial. The whole term has numerator n factorial, we can write. Clear? So what about the n factorial? N factorial is equal 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on n. The product of n numbers, it is the n factorial. The product of 5 numbers, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Product of 5 numbers. 4 numbers, 4 factorial. N numbers, n factorial. Okay. So next, all upon here n minus r and so on 3 into 2 into 1. So it is also one product. So from 1 to n minus r. Up to n factorial. Up to 5 factorial. Up to n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial. Okay, so it is nothing but n number of things we arranged in r number of blanks, that is npr. npr is equal n factorial by n minus r factorial. So it is the proof of npr. Okay.